A very good evening to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. So, in this situation, we need to be at home and study hard. This is Seema in front of you, and today in this video, I'm going to cover division with regrouping. Hope you all enjoy my earlier videos that was of fundamental basic concepts of division. So children, watch this interesting video till end to know more about division with regrouping. Okay. So in this video, I will explain you the division with regrouping and the verification also, how to do the verification. Okay, the formula I have already explained in the earlier videos. If you have seen, if you have watched, so I think it is in your mind. If it is not, so you can pay attention here. So first I will explain one question here. Divide 7631 by 3. Okay, the question what I am going to explain. Divide 7631 by 3. So see how to do the regrouping. Okay, so first write here the dividend. 7 6 3 1. Okay, and the division you are going to do with the divisor 3 and write the place value once, because 1 it has a 1 place, 3 is at the tens place, 6 is at the 100 place, and 7 is at the 1000 place. Okay, so what will be the step 1? So first divide the 7000. Okay, first start with the 1000 because the last number that is 1000. Okay, so first divide this 7 by 3. Okay, first divide this 7 by 3. So what you will get? You will get 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and remainder 1. Okay, and remainder 1. So right here 2 at the 1000 place. Now 3 2s are 6. Now subtract it. What you will get? The remainder 1. And now this 6. Okay, just take this 6 down. So now it will become 16. Okay, now it will become 16. Okay, now again already you bring down the 6 from the 100 place. Okay, now 16 is the new dividend. Now the new dividend is 16. Okay, now divide this new dividend by 3. Divide this new dividend 16 by 3. So what you will get? 5 3 5 ja 15 and remainder 1 again. Okay, remainder 1 again. Now write here 5 at 100 plus 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 15. When you will subtract it, then what you will get? 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. That is remainder. Okay, and again bring down this 3 from tens place. Okay, 3 from tens place. Now what is your new dividend? 13. What is your new dividend? 13. Now again divide this 13 by 3. So what you will get? 3 4 ja 12. Your quotient will be 12. 4, but remainder will be 1 because 3 4 ja 12 and here it is 13. So 1 will be remainder. So write here 4 at tens place. 3 4 ja 12. Now subtract it. What you will get? 1 here. Now this last one, bring this last one at 1. Okay, bring down this 1 from 1's place. Now the new dividend will 11. Okay, what is the new dividend? 11. So when you will divide this 11 by 3, so what you will get? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 and we will subtract it. So 9 to 11, 2 will be your remainder. 2 will be your remainder. So what is your answer? So what is the answer? Here it is the question. That is your answer. 2543. 2543. Okay, the question it is 2543. So keep in your mind, write one Write it in notebook. Quotient is equals to 2543. I am also writing here. And remainder value is equals to 2. Now I am erasing it. Okay, just keep in your mind. 2543. I have already noted down in my notebook. Okay, the quotient value is 2453 and remainder value it is 2. Okay, now I am doing the verification. For this I have to erase this. Okay. Okay, now children, just see. Write the formula for verification. What is the formula for verification? If you know the value, if you know the formula, then what was the formula? Dividend is equals to divisor, SOR. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now what is your dividend? Your dividend was 7631. Okay, 7631. What is your divisor? So divisor was 3. And what was the quotient? I have already noted down in my notebook, 2543. Okay, first do the multiplication. Okay, already you know the BODMAS rule. Okay, DMAS rule already you know. So first do the multiplication and then addition 2. Okay, remainder was 2. When you will do this multiplication, 2543 into 3, so what will come? 7629 plus 2. When you will add 29 plus 2, then it will become 31. Okay, 7629 and 2, 31. So 7631 that you will get. So yes, now it is verified. So your division, it is correct. I hope now you understand how to do the rest of the exercise. So you can do the exercise 5A with the help of this video. So complete your exercise. Okay, good. Okay, one more question I am explaining here. Very small question it is. Okay, 506 divided by 5. First write ones, tens, 100. First divide this 500 by 5. So 500 by 5 is equals to 1. Totally it is cut. 5 ones 5. Now subtract it. So what will come? 0. Now bring down this 0 tens here. Now your new dividend is 0, 0. So when you will divide this 0 by 5, so what you will get? 0. So right here at tens place is 0. So again when you are subtracting 0, then what will come? 0 minus 0, again 0. Now bring down the 6 ones here. Now your new dividend is 0, 6. Now your new dividend is 0, 6. When you will divide the 6 by 5, then what you will get? 1 as the quotient and remainder also 1. So 5 ones are 5. So divide it. 5 ones are 5 and 1 remainder. So just keep in your mind the quotient value. Quotient value is 101 and the remainder value is 1. The remainder value is 1. Okay, keep in your mind 101 and 1. 101 and 1. Okay, now again for verification. Okay, for verification I have to erase it. Now do that verification. Again I am writing the formula. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, first we have to do this one. Okay, multiplication work as per the DMAS rule. So what was the divisor? Divisor was 5. Sorry, first write the dividend. Okay, what was the dividend? 506. 506 in LHS 506. Now it comes for RHS. The divisor was 5, quotient 101 and remainder also 1. Okay, 101 5 ja 505 plus 1. 505 plus 1 is equals to 506. So here you can see that LHS is equals to RHS. Again it is verified. Now I think you all know how to do this division and the verification also. So first do it from by your end, and if you are getting any problem, so you can ask me in the class. Any queries if you are having any problem, if you are having, so you can ask me in the class. So first do this exercise. Okay children, and now take care of yourself and bye bye.